JC, top ball screen with Joseph Gabayni. Marcelino goes all the way for two.
Almost like the defense was non-existent that time.
Publico swings it to the left. JC Marcelino for three. It's just like Zamboanga likes to put it.
Swung, Tolentino misses that one badly. Marcelino right now off to the races.
JC leaves it. JV, this time it's the other way around, but the point nonetheless for Zamboanga. They're up by 5. 15 points each in this game for JC and JV as Sorella able to stop the short drought there for South Cotabato. I think that was good. Is this going to be the first time that we're going to be awarding to players for best player of the game? Well, if Joseph Gabayni keeps on doing that, that will help Zamboanga with that kind of cause.
He's trying to make a case. As he has come to life. This was the drive by Marcelino. Rodriguez challenges, and against the zone, one of the weaknesses of the zone is offensive rebounding because of the matchup. It puts a smaller guy.
Hoson goes for the three. Too strong. Marwin, offensive rebound. Short jumper. That's good. 78-74. Rebound for Zamboanga. Green shirts on the recycle. Alas puts the ball on the deck. Gabayni drop step. The finish is good off the glass for Joseph Gabayni.
And the key to me right there was the drive, I believe, by JC Marcelino. This is the third season of the Marcelino twins in the league, right? Side, or to get something at the line to stop the clock.
They set up Acuna from the corner. Nothing but bottom for Val Acuna.
Or
Acuna pops out, fakes out the last step to the side. Three-pointer, no good. Amito, another possession here for South Cotabato. Tolentino, can he make this? Yes, sir! Kyle Tolentino, a big three. Marcelino, doubled on the left side. Alas, to JV. Marcelino, out. Gabayni, baseline jumper. All nylon for Joseph Gabayni. South Cotabato, Elorde once again to trigger in. Amito, outside Acuna. That's a tight spot. Tough angle to work with. Gabayni secures the possession. 8 seconds left. Elorde from way downtown. Acuna will go for it. Oh, that's a foul, definitely. But Val Acuna for board, hitting the body down. There you see the free throw numbers. South Cotabato has done a good job.
basketball, Ochery Gonzalez.
Kenneth Alas to trigger in here for Zamboanga. They go to Gabayni. That is well though from the free throw line. Make that 6. Miss on the second. Elorde could not get the heave in time, and that is gonna be it.